What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a banger for you. So got some coilovers for the 135. Gonna be throwing those on today. Stick around, you don't want to miss this one. Get this fitment right.
One eternity later.
What's going on, guys? So I skipped all the install. The install was crazy, but the car is definitely slammed now. Well, kinda, you'll see. But we got the coilovers on, ran into an unexpected issue. I've never seen an issue like this on a vehicle. Every step of this vehicle, besides the purchase, has been like so difficult for no reason, but it's all good. The car looks good. I'd like to show it to you, see what we got. Y'all gotta let me know what you think though. I'm pretty hyped on it. Let's check it out. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the suspension on there and she's sitting pretty low. I know the back is a little higher, but just hear me out. So we got the coilovers on the car and immediately tried to back the car up and the car would not move at all. The front wheels were rubbing up against the suspension, and I've never seen a problem like that before. Didn't expect that at all. It sucked. So Greg, who helped me put this all together, brainstormed a bit, and what we did was we ended up putting the H&R lowering springs on the front, and I was really hoping they wouldn't lower it this much because it's kind of a lot, but it looks good. And then in the rear, we got the coilovers on there. They fit good, they look good. They're raised up. I think that's about as high as they can go. And I'm gonna make adjustments to the rear, but we're sitting like this right now. I'm kind of hyped on the stance, but I really wish those coils would have worked out. I ended up going with the ST coils, as y'all saw. And some of the pictures I'll put here, some of the videos you can see like the differences between the coils and the stock suspension. And because the spring came so much lower, apparently there was already little clearance, but once I put those coils on, there was no clearance. We put a 5mm spacer, they were still rubbing. And then any more spacer than that, what was the issue with that? We could have went with a larger spacer, but then the fitment would have been really weird. So I'm gonna save the front coils for future install once new wheels come, which takes me to my next topic. Check this out. So as you'll notice, hopefully the wind isn't too bad. As you'll notice, the wheels on here really dirty. But when I picked this car up, I realized one of the wheels, the back wheel, actually is bent. So my loving wife, she was like, well, I guess this is a perfect opportunity to get new wheels. I was like, I think you're absolutely right. So we did that. The new wheels, I'm going to pick them up now. You'll see those in the next video, so stay tuned for that. But that's why I'm waiting to adjust the rear. Got to see how the rear fits first. Really interested to see how the front's gonna fit, because as you see, we don't have too much space to work with. The wheels should be about the same size, but they're a little more aggressive. I'm super hyped on them. I've been waiting like a month and a half. So if you haven't already, hit the like, hit the sub. Stay tuned for the wheel reveal in the next video. Pray for me with this fitment. Getting ready for GAT. Hopefully I'll see you guys down there, Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Gatlinburg. That's right, actually. Getting ready for GAT. I'll see you guys down there at Gatlinburg, Tennessee next month for Slammed Enough. This will be my 3rd year there. First time taking this car, not gonna lie, I'm a little worried with the M54, but super excited. Stick around. I'll see you guys in the next one.